Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel, Soul Seed Tarot. Hope you all are doing well, happy, and healthy. I'm back again with another reading for Gemini. We are going to do a monthly reading covering April 2025 for Gemini. So let's do a quick video for Gemini. Please keep in mind these are going to be general readings. All the messages may or may not resonate with you. Please keep the ones that resonate and leave the rest. Gemini, we are going to check your overall energies, your business, your job, career, and finance, your health, and your love life. Gemini, for your overall energies, we have an Eight of Swords. Why are you feeling stuck? You're feeling like your hands are tired and you cannot really take any action. There are some hurdles, some challenges, and you are not able to fix the situation according to your favor, and you're really worried, and but you're feeling like you cannot do anything. You cannot fix this situation. Nothing is in your hands now. There is a lot of negative self talk. I'm not sure what your exact situation is, but I feel you really can walk away at any time from this situation, or maybe you can really take some actions to fix it. But there is a lot of creativity blockage, I feel. Let's clarify why you have this Eight of Swords in your overall energies. We will move on to your business. We have a Seven of Swords for you, clarifying that we have the Sun card in reverse. We have Six of Pentacles in reverse. We have Eight of Wands in reverse for you. Okay, Gemini, first off, if somebody betrayed you somewhere in the past, or not, or if not even betrayal, but somebody was not really loyal to you, or they did not really help you or were helpful in your business in past, don't trust them again blindly. You have to reconsider whom you are trusting. Since it is a business matter, it is a sensitive matter for money wise, and everything lies on money. You understand, Gemini? You have to understand who is really loyal to you and who can really help you, or who is really going to betray you or backstab you. Gemini, the message exactly that I want to convey to you is there could be someone that is not entirely honest with you, leading to confusion and delays. You may feel like you're giving more than you're receiving, or there is an imbalance and things are not progressing as expected. Be cautious of who you trust, avoid rushing decisions, and take the time to clarify any misunderstandings before taking any action. Why I'm telling you is because we have the Seven of Swords, which indicates deception. We have the Sun card in reverse, again temporary disappointment or setback. Six of Pentacles, again some unfairness or selfishness in relationships or finances. We also have a Eight of Wands in reverse, so there could be some blockages or delays or slow progress. Okay, I'm not saying anything bad is going to happen, but since we are doing a tarot reading, these kind of readings are just to tell you what is coming in future and alert you. So I'm just giving you a message that is very needed for you, Gemini. Moving on to your job, career, and finance, we have a Five of Cups clarified by Three of Wands, the Justice card in reverse, and An ace of swords in reverse. I don't know why, but the six of cups in reverse wanted to come out of this deck. Let's see, let's clarify why your situation is like this. Gemini, I feel like you're just crying on spilled milk. You're not focusing on what you have currently. In fact, you feel like there is some injustice going on. Let's see why it is. Since we have the Justice card in reverse and the Ace of Swords in reverse. Okay, let me. Oh, I don't know how to show it to you. Okay, I can keep it here so that you can see all the cards. Hope all the cards are visible, Gemini. Let me just readjust it. It is fine now. Yeah. Gemini, there seems to be some emotional baggage from the past. Since we have a Six of Cups in reverse and a Five of Cups, you're really carrying on some emotional baggage or trauma from the past that is really influencing your present. Justice in reverse suggests that something is not fair or truthful. There could be a lack of clarity, lack of thinking, your thought process, your logical sense that could be betraying you, or you're not focusing on what is really needed to come out of this situation. But since we have one positive card, Three of Wands, that indicates a that gives a strong positive message for you, Gemini. I think because this Three of Wands is present in your spread, I feel despite of these struggles, progress is possible if you focus on moving forward instead of dwelling on the past disappointments. Maybe you didn't get a job since you tried for a long time, you gave a lot of interviews, you tried your chance, you tried your luck, but you didn't get a job. You really should not get disappointed with that, and you should really work on yourself, upskilling yourself. You should give your 100%, you still should give your 100%, because there is really hope that growth and expansion will be there for you in April, Gemini. I would suggest, Gemini, gain clarity before making decisions for your business as well, for your job, career, and finance. I think the whole finance message is that, Gemini, someone may be telling, may not be telling the whole truth, or you may not be seeing the full picture. Either somebody is diligently trying to keep some secrets, or you are not seeing it clearly. And of course, leave your past in the past, move on. They are really clouding your judgment or your ability to judge the situation and move forward. And since I see you going in a lane of negative thoughts, Gemini, okay, maybe the Eight of Swords, the overall energy for you is telling the same thing. Maybe you're just trying to focus on the negativity. You have to stop focusing on the spilled milk and stay patient so that you can achieve your goals, Gemini. Hope this message helps you, Gemini, in April 2025, because I really feel, Gemini, this is a very important message that everyone should know. Moving on to your health, Gemini, we have the Magician clarified by Emperor in reverse, Devil in reverse, Six of Wands. Okay, Gemini. Health wise, everything looks good. I really don't see any issue in April. But of course, you have to focus on leaving any negative habits you have. Fight off those negative habits, Gemini. Maybe you're not focusing on your mental health or emotional health, or it is just that you are procrastinating, or you may be focusing on finances more or your love life more, but you're ignoring your health. That could be your negative habit. Maybe you're not properly hydrated, maybe you're not eating on time. So that could be the issue. Other than that, everything looks fine, Gemini. Moving on to your love life, we have a Four of Swords in reverse. We have a King of Pentacles in reverse. I got two cards. We have the Death card and we have the Wheel of Fortune. Oh my god. First off, if anybody of you were single, let me tell you, you are going to get an offer. Finally, the wheel is turning in your favor and you are really going to get an offer. Somebody new could be entering into your life, or something exciting and fun is coming into your life if you were single since a long time, Gemini. Or if you are in a relationship, I assure you, Gemini, your relationship is going to a next level. You're taking a next step in this relationship. This is a very positive message, Gemini. Wow, I'm so happy. Gemini, a major transformation is there for you in your love life, because we have the Death card. I hope you can see the card here. So, Death card suggests a change, some transformation, some shift. Something bad is stopping, something bad is ending, and something good, positive is starting. That is the depiction of a Death card. We have a Wheel of Fortune that shows that something fortunate, something positive, something happy, and something that will give you satisfaction is coming into your life, something you really wished for. So I would say, Gemini, April is a month for major transformation that is happening in your love life. There is a deep internal shift that leads to a new chapter. This is a very necessary change that will lead you to a positive happiness. As I said, single people, you will be coming out of a period of stagnation or not dating anyone. You will start dating. Gemini, I can assure 99% that Gemini people are going to start dating in April 2025. If at all, Gemini, you were dealing with someone unreliable, or who was not loyal to you, or you were insecure with someone, that phase is going to end. If you really were stuck in a negative, toxic relationship, that is going to end. This is a necessary shift for you. If you are happy in your relationship, that is a completely different matter. But whosoever were not happy in their relationship, and that is a toxic relationship, and you really felt like you were stuck in that, you are trapped and you could not fix the situation, you could not take any action. Okay, universe is there for you, and universe is working in your favor, and you will come out of that relationship. This cycle is leading towards new opportunities. You have to embrace this change, because, Gemini, I know this change is fated. This change will happen no matter what. You have to embrace it. You cannot resist it. If you are in a happy relationship, you are definitely going to the next level, because it is a positive change. You both are going to be happy in this relationship. You have to trust the process and have patience through this journey, Gemini. Okay, Gemini, that's all I had for you. If it resonated, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please tell your friends and family as well to subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.